Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is mellifluous. Let's discover what this elegant word means. Mellifluous means sweet, smooth, and pleasant to hear. It is often used to describe a beautiful voice, music, or soothing sounds. Here's an example. The singer's mellifluous voice captivated the audience from the very first note. This means her voice sounded smooth, pleasant, and beautiful to everyone listening. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word mellifluous? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.